So whenever I'm trying to drink less caffeine, I tend to have a lot more turmeric lattes. And in winter, these hot are absolutely delicious. But in summer, I've developed a bit of a penchant for iced turmeric lattes. So I wanted to show you how to make one that's fresh, using fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, and lots of delicious cardamom. So I've got some almond milk here, which I warmed through, brought to the boil and kind of left it to cool. And I'm adding some cardamom pods and all the inside bits as well, just to kind of infuse nicely together. I'm also going to add turmeric and the ginger. So I've grated about 2 teaspoons of turmeric here and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and I'm just going to add that in. So because I've decided to mix this up a bit and it's not going to be a traditional turmeric latte, we're going to add a little bit of cocoa powder to make it more of a kind of richly tasted chocolate kind of flavour, and we're also going to add some orange zest as well. So I'm going to add some orange zest straight into the pan. This is nearly cool now, just a little bit, but enough to give it a lightly kind of fresh orangey hint. And then I'm also going to use some cocoa powder. I'm just going to take a kind of scant teaspoon of it and mix with a little dash of vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla, and then also some lemon juice. A little squeeze to that. Just give that a little mix together. So for sweetness, you can use coconut syrup, you could use stevia, you could use maple syrup, you can use honey. I've got date syrup here, which I'm going to use, and I'm going to go in with a couple of teaspoons of it. And I'm just also going to add just a little pinch of salt as well to kind of bring out the flavour of the chocolate. So this has been infusing nicely. I'm going to give it a little bit longer, and then we're going to mix all the ingredients together, and then we're going to serve over ice. So I'm going to add this kind of chocolatey mixture into there. It's going to get this kind of nice dark golden yellow colour. So I'm just going to grab some ice. And I've got a really fine strainer, so I'm just going to strain it straight into my glass. And there you have it, my delicious, I'm going to call this a dirty iced turmeric latte because of the chocolate and the date syrup. That is so good. I mean, try that. Do try it out. Honestly, I think you'll be really impressed. And I'd say I only made enough for one, but definitely double up the recipe, and you can keep it strained in a jug in your fridge and just have it with ice whenever you want it. You could even add like a dash of vodka if you wanted to make it a bit of an evening thing.